In this video, I will show you step by step how you made $195,110 just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that a lot of people are searching for right now on YouTube that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission and so much more. Okay, and for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $9,210 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, for people who are new and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to promote affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube if you want to earn commission, and I will share with you guys this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, just go to your YouTube homepage. And so first, why I choose YouTube to promote my affiliate links. So did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, a lot of people every single day, millions of people searching for services, products, specific topics on YouTube. Okay, so 13 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number. You can get so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, I'm following people who are making thousands of dollars per month just by using affiliate marketing on YouTube. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Okay, after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. Okay, so anyways, go to your YouTube homepage and go click on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to run, for example, Google ads, and here you go. You can ask any question you want. So as you can see, people are searching for how to run Google ads campaign, how to run Google ads for local business, how to run Google ads campaign for website, how to run Google ads for Shopify. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to Fiverr, click on the search for Google ads. Okay, search for Google ads, and you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. Okay, as you can see. So what you need to do next, you need to choose a good seller. Choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I will choose, for example, let's choose one of those sellers. So choose like pro sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has good reviews. So let me see if we can find a good one like this one. Our agency will quickly set up your Google ads campaign like this one. Okay, this one is pro seller, he has a lot of reviews. So I will click on his service. Just click on his service, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, go back to the seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, go to about this gig, click on his video like this. Let's check this video.
Hi, my name is Hassan. I'm a full-time professional Google ad expert and the
looking good. Double click, save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop. Okay, just click on save. I will name it Google Ads. Okay, so what you need to do next, you will go to Canva. Okay, go to Canva, search, go to Google. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on video. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, so let me see the video. This is the video, Google Ads. Click on open, and your video should be over here. Okay, click, so let me do it again. Click on upload file. This is my video, Google Ads. Let me see. Okay, this is my video. Okay,
Hi, my name is Hassan.
Open, click on open, and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video will be over here. Okay, click on this 3 point and click on set video as background. Okay, click on text and scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use, for example, this one. Click on the text style and I will delete this part and decrease the font size of your text like this. Put your text here, double click and write this sentence. Okay, check. Okay, let me see, like this, check link. Okay, check link in my description like this. Okay, it's super easy. Check link in my description. Make this title like this, and I will put this title here. I will click on elements and I will click over here on shape. I will click on color. I will choose black color and I will click on this shape and I will put this shape here like this to make this title looking good. Okay, and here you go, check link in my description, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay,
Hi, my name is Hassan. I'm a full-time professional Google ad expert and the Google Premier partner with over 10 years of experience. I consider myself a dedicated student.
this video is really looking good, professional. I will click on share. I will click on download and this video will be downloaded to my laptop. I will go to YouTube. I will open my YouTube channel. I will upload this video to my YouTube channel. I will copy this, how to run Google Ads campaign. I will use, just copy this title, use this title for your video, upload your video to your YouTube channel. Okay, then go to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or here. Okay, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Those people who are searching for how to run Google Ads campaign, they have money. Okay, they have money and they are ready to invest money on Google Ads. They don't know how to do it, how to run Google Ads. That's why they are searching on YouTube how to run Google Ads. Okay, this agency on Fiverr will help those people to run Google Ads for their businesses. Okay, and those people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, those people will click on your affiliate link, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. It's super easy. Okay, that's it. You just need to stay consistent and promote a lot of affiliate links on YouTube. Use YouTube search to find what people are searching for, what people are looking for, problems that those people are facing. Give those people solution, and that's it. And you will make so much money if you are using this method. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. And if you don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, check my description below. I will leave a link of one of my YouTube videos showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel, how you can put affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. And see you in my next video.